Good morning students, welcome to English class 8. In today's video, we are going to talk about the poem My Hobby Reading. Let me explain what hobby is. Hobby is an activity which one does during leisure for his pleasure. One man's work can be another man's hobby. Now let's start the poem My Hobby Reading, which is written by Arunachalam Chandrasekharan, who is a professional in library and information science. His long term deep association with the books in his library has made him to script this poem on reading as a great hobby. Now let's move to the poem lines with explanation. First stanza. My hobby is reading. It helps me in thought breeding. Explanation. The poet declares in the first line itself that reading is his hobby. He says his reading hobby helps him to grow and cultivate many good thoughts. Second stanza. It takes me to place near and far. It keeps my rational doors ajar. Ajar means slightly open. Explanation. The poet thought takes the poet not only to the nearby places but also to the remote and far areas. The poet compares his mind to a room and expresses that reading habit enables him to keep the doors of his mind unlocked and half open to permit intelligent and logical reasoning. At the same time, it prevents the unwanted entry of bad and wrong things. Third stanza. It teaches me to cackle and cry. Without wings, it lets me fly. Explanation. Reading practice the poet to take in both happiness and sorrow in the same spirit. It teaches him to laugh loudly during happy times and to cry and let out sorrow during painful times. Reading does not restrict or control the thoughts of the poet. Without wings, it allows his thoughts to soar high and fly. The last stanza. I wish if all the children could read. In constructing a vigorous society, then we shall succeed. Explanation. The poet aspires that all the children should go to school and study. There should be no illiterates. He believes that if all the children are well educated, then they can build a dynamic, strong, and powerful society. If such a society is created, we shall succeed and reach the pinnacles in our life. So, dear children, in this poem, we have come to know that how reading make his own hobby. Each and everyone have their aim to achieve their goals, but achieving a goal is not the easiest thing. We have to work hard and put our effort to touch a height. Children, I believe that you all understood the theme of the poem. Thank you, children. Let us connect with next class shortly. Till that, stay home, stay safe.